All right, so we're going to dive right into it right now. Okay, the first part of the social media is understanding the social. A lot of people go to social media and they just go there forgetting that it's a place for interaction. People join social media platforms not just to have information, they can use Google, they can read, right, on blogs and different websites and all. But they join social media because they want to interact. Remember, humans are social beings. So it's mostly about interaction. So you always have to remember that people want relationship, people want to connect, right? So even if you're going to be selling, you are your product or service. People will only buy for you because they know you, they like you, they trust you, because they have interacted with you and have found you a person of value that they can trust with their money. So when we talk social media, you have to understand that it's a place first where you go to socialize, where you go to connect with people, where you go to form relationships, where you bond with people, where you follow people, they follow you, where you like their posts, they like your posts, where you do videos, they watch, they laugh, they interact, they argue, right? So social media dominance is a craft. It's not really something you just wake up and do. It's a craft. It's something you must hold, pay attention to and do, right? Then lastly, there's like I said before, there must be the know, like and trust factor, and this sometimes takes time. It takes consistency. It takes keep showing up. It takes delivering value every time they come across your post, every time they come across your video. Do they gain? Do they benefit? Are they stimulated? Are they entertained? Right? There must be a value you're providing, right? So that people will get to know you, show up in their faces and all. They get to like you because of the content you share and all. Then they get to trust you because they keep seeing you, they keep seeing people vouch for you, they keep seeing important people connecting with you. Sometimes when I go on social media and I want to conduct business with somebody, I check our mutual friends. If the people I see as your friends are people I visit their timelines and they don't look like credible people, or they don't look professional, they don't look like real people, I don't do business with you, right? So on social media, the social aspect must count. You must have shown yourself to be a person of value. You must have been connected with people of value, so that when people come across your content, they want to check who are your friends, and then they get to connect with you. All right. So now we're going to do the other part, which is understanding the media. Now, we said the first part is social, it has to do with interaction and all. Media. Now, what is media? Media is like a tool through which you achieve something, right? Or medium is a tool through which you achieve something. Now, on social media, people are there for different things. So make sure you always mind your business. You remember why you're there. Remember what you're doing there. Remember the real purpose. Are you there to sell, market? Are you there to educate people? Are you there to build a brand? All right. Always keep that in mind. Even if you're going to do the bands and the jives and the trends and all, make sure you always remember why you're there, because a lot of people are there for different reasons. When you're wearing white, you don't play with somebody who is carrying palm oil, right? So it's something you have to be careful how you approach things on social media. Never post nude pictures, never post anything you don't want them to associate your brand, your business, or your personality with. So be very, very conscious that it is a multi-purpose tool. You need to decide what you want from it. Do you want to make money from it? Do you want to be famous from it? Do you want to make impact? Yes, you can wrap it all into one. You must have a goal. You must have a dream. There must be something you're doing there. Every word you put out should be intentional. Intentionality on social media is very, very important, right? Now, I'm going to just put this out. When you're talking social media, content is the currency for exchange. Content is what people relate to. It's what people see you to be. The pictures, the videos, the audios, the text. All right, it must be something you want to be related, you want to be associated with. It must be something you're intentional about. It must be high in quality. It must be high in value. All right, we're going to talk about the rules shortly, where I'll tell you what to do and what not to do. All right, now let's move on smoothly into the next phase of this training.